Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Somehow or rather, every Chinese New Year, Appa will be making this egg dish called Osmanthus egg. Yeah, Osmanthus fried egg. It's actually very simple. And at the restaurant, they are selling this dish super expensive because they usually will use real shark's fin. Of course, Appa will never use real shark fin at home. Instead, I will be using glass noodle. And this glass noodle, I have actually pre-soaked it using hot water for approximately 10 minutes. So it's almost cooked, almost like 80-90% cooked, I would say. All right, let's quickly take a look at the ingredient. I have two free-range chicken here, very fresh. And then a bit of minced garlic, julienne carrot. This is spring onion, the green portion. Appa is lazy today, so what I did was instead of slicing up the spring onion, I go and buy the very thin one so that I don't have to slice. Then we have some imitation crab meat, some very thinly sliced rehydrated shiitake mushroom, of course the glass noodle, and I'll be putting in some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any unviet Vietnamese restaurants throughout the whole Malaysia. This dish is super easy. Let me quickly show you. First of all, we're going to prep the egg. First of all, we break open the egg into a bowl. Oh, look at how beautiful is the egg. I love the egg when it looks like this. Then we're going to season it with a little bit of fish sauce, or you can use fine salt. And a bit of white pepper. And one more thing, to make it tender, I'm going to add some starch solution. This is the trick where the restaurant will be using. Okay? And then we mix everything up. Then you have successfully prepped your egg. Right, then you prepare a pan or a wok, give it a little bit of oil, and you're going to pan fry those things that you have cut just now. Saute. Saute for a minute or two. Basically, you want to make sure it is nicely cooked, yeah? You can season this with a little bit of chicken stock powder if you have. Or some light soy sauce. I cut the shiitake mushroom very thinly today, so you should be able to get cooked quite fast. If you are worried about your shiitake mushroom, then what you do is you can actually saute your shiitake mushroom separately first before you saute the rest of the ingredient. Yeah. My shiitake mushroom today is super thin. I think I should be. Let me take the rest of the ingredient out. I should probably saute the shiitake mushroom first. I've removed the other ingredient just now because the other ingredient already cooked. Only the shiitake mushroom, I feel I need a little bit, maybe just another 2-3 minutes. So learn from Appa's mistake. Do saute the shiitake mushroom first for a couple of minutes, then only you put in the rest of the ingredient. Okay? So this is after another about 1 to 2 minutes sauteing the shiitake mushroom. I think definitely good enough. Now I can put back the ingredient I added in just now. Mix everything up nicely. Wow, I can smell the mushroom. Now we can actually add in the egg. Let me double check the angle. All right, nice. Don't have to use too high heat. So the only thing that you need to take note for this dish is that you want to make sure the ingredient inside is fully cooked, especially the shiitake mushroom. The rest is fine. Okay, this is yellowish. If you prefer the color to be a little bit darker, then you can add a bit of light soy sauce to get some fragrance, nice fragrance, and also getting the color a little bit, yeah? And the next step, how you serve is also very important for this dish. I'm going to show you. See, almost done. You basically don't want to char your egg in this particular egg dish. Usually, egg I will char it, but now in this dish, no, I'm not going to char it. Just make sure it's fully cooked, that's it. Everything dry out, it's super aromatic right now and fully cooked. Huh? I'm going to off the fire, so don't use too high heat. And now I'm going to show you how to serve correctly for this dish. You get a bowl, get a serving plate. So what you need to do right now is to put this egg into this bowl. You want to shape it, yeah? Let me change another ladder. I need to be very gentle because I don't want to scratch my non-stick wok. Then press it. Do this. Once you open, your egg is ready. Okay, let me slowly open it. Look at how beautiful it is. I don't have any lettuce. I can put some lettuce at the side. All right, see how beautiful and simple it is to make this dish. I don't know why this dish is very popular, especially during Chinese New Year. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.